Hello, welcome to Orbit Spell Balancing Tool. The tool was created by Team Orbits, Jin Yao, Jackie Vu, Jonathan Lee, and Patrick Jahn. The tool is designed for balancing spells and skills in role-playing games. The tool can also be used for looking at trends on multivariate data with thousands of elements. This view is the overview. We have loaded 1,354 spells from popular game Guild Wars. Each spell is represented by a line drawn along the circumference of a circle. They are color-coded by variable for each spell, such as energy cost and recharge time. Here we're coloring by its profession. We can sort the spells to give us some sense of organization. We're going to sort by the profession. As you can see, each spell is sorted by its profession variable. We can also redraw each line to show values on the different variables. Here we're going to redraw the line according to the energy cost. As you can see, each different skill has different energy costs. High energy cost is drawn with a longer line, and low energy cost is drawn with a shorter line. We can also assign colors to different variable sets. Here we're setting the colors to profession. We can change this to energy cost. Each different level of energy costs are assigned to different colors. As you can see, lower energy costs are assigned with warmer color, while higher energy cost is assigned with cooler color. Finally, we can set filters to display spells with certain criteria. For example, we're going to display spells that only assassin profession can cast. As you can see, the view has narrowed down to the 115 skills that's available to the assassin. Using this tool, users can find trends amongst thousands of elements easily by length of the line and also by coloring. Users can also compare a smaller set of spells for detailed comparison using the overview. Here, we're going to compare all spells that have something to do with fire. First, we can select several spells to add to the comparison. As you can see here, we can also add entire list of spells to the comparison. In the orbit view, each spell is represented by a circular line and orbit along the intersecting line, the spokes. The spokes represent the line of variable values similar to a sliding bar visualization. Spells intersect these bars according to their value for each variable. A spell can be set as the key where the spoke bars are normalized to the specific spell, making that spell a perfect circle. As you can see here, we just made Meteor Shower the key, thus disforming every other spell and making the Meteor Shower line a perfect circle. Spells similar to the key will have their line drawn close to the perfect circle. Spells with different variable values from the key will be drawn with large arches and dips away from the perfect circle. Spells with higher variable values will have their line drawn outside of the key circle. Lower variable values will have lines drawn inside the key circle for easy comparison. Spells and variable spokes can be shown and hidden by controls to allow the user the ability to customize their view. Here we're taking out two variables, and thus each line is redrawn and less spokes are shown. We can also decide which spell we can show and hide. User can always use the overview for the list view to add more skills to the orbit view. Thank you for watching this video.